Good afternoon, you're with me, Tanima Biswas, and the top story that we are following today is the fuel price hike. Yes, fuel prices have in fact been hiked for the 18th consecutive time since May 4th. And the latest hike shows that petrol prices have in fact been increased by 27 paise per litre and diesel by 28 paise per litre. Now, petrol prices have crossed the 100 rupee mark per litre in 4 cities at least. They are Mumbai, Bhopal, and in Rajasthan's Jaipur and Sri Ganganagar. Petrol prices are at rupees 105 per litre at Sri Ganganagar. In Delhi, petrol price has been hiked to rupees 94.76 per litre and diesel prices hiked to 85.66 per litre. So those are the latest that we're getting in terms of fuel prices, which have been hiked across the country. Once again, this is the 18th time from 4th of May.
बहुत बुरा लग रहा है। हम तो टीचर हैं, गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉई हैं, हमें तो इतनी दिक्कत नहीं हो रही है, लेकिन जो एक कॉमन मैन है जो रोज़ अर्निंग करता है, उससे आप पूछिए उसके लिए 100 रुपये पर डे निकालना कितना मुश्किल है इस कोरोना क्राइसिस में। बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है सर, और इस पे गवर्नमेंट को अवश्य कुछ करना चाहिए।
क्या कहेंगे, महंगाई पता नहीं कैसे कहाँ से बढ़ रही है। ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन अब इतना महंगा होता चला जा रहा, महंगा हर चीज़ होता जा रहा, और पैसा पता नहीं कहाँ जा रहा। मतलब महंगा हर चीज़ हो गया और पैसा कहाँ का कहाँ जा रहा। मतलब जो पकड़ा गया पैसा काला धन, ये दुनिया, इसका फ़ायदा हमें कहाँ समझ आया, पता नहीं कहाँ गया। ये समझ में तो आना चाहिए पैसा कहाँ गया, कहाँ कहीं से हमको वापस नहीं मिल रहा है, और ये हर चीज़ महंगा अलग से हो जा रहा है।
मुझे तो नहीं लग रहा है कि राहत मिलेगी, क्योंकि यही चलता रहा तो आने वाले समय में पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है, और सरकार से तो फिलहाल कोई उम्मीद नहीं है कि कुछ होगा।
पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा बर्डन पड़ रहा है और आर्थिक रूप से लोग कमज़ोर भी हो रहे हैं, रोज़गार भी कम हो गया है।
पेट्रोल डीजल के दाम बढ़ने से भैया बहुत परेशानी है। जहां हम लोग 100 रुपये में भरा कर 2 चक्कर चलते थे, अब 200 रुपये 250 रुपये का भराते हैं, उसमें भी कम पड़ जा रहा है।
लोगों के पास रोज़गार नहीं है और लगातार हर चीज़ में बढ़ोतरी हो रही है और लोग खाने को मर रहे हैं, तो दिक्कतें तो होंगी ना। तो पेट्रोल के दाम जो हैं, पेट्रोल के क्या, हर चीज़ के दाम घटने चाहिए, जिन जिन चीज़ों के दाम बढ़े हैं, और लोगों को रोज़गार मिलना चाहिए।
Let me go across to my colleague Govind, who is joining us from Bhopal. And in Bhopal, Govind, Bhopal is one of those cities where the petrol per litre has in fact crossed the rupees 100 per litre mark.
Absolutely, it's almost the story of every day to price hike in petrol diesel prices. As you know that in Bhopal, if we compare the state capital of any state, we find that Bhopal is the most expensive in case of petrol diesel prices, and the petrol is more than 102 rupees and diesel is more than 94 rupees and today the hike was recorded 28 paisa on petrol and 30 paisa on diesel. So this is what we can understand, that petrol diesel prices are on the highest mark there in the capital of any state, which is Bhopal, and that is because the most percentage of VAT is being charged by the state government, that is 31 rupee on per litre. So this is what we can understand, and apart from this 4 rupees surcharge is also being charged. That is what the reason the petrol diesel price the most expensive there in Bhopal. But we can understand the common people are suffering from this hike every day. The story of hike in petrol diesel, which is quite painful for the common people. And now common people definitely appealing to the government that there should be some vital step taken against this kind of hike continuously in petrol diesel.
Right, Govind, and we also heard some reactions coming in from the ground on this. Thank you so much for joining us with that from Bhopal. And we also have this report being sent from Kerala by my colleague Vivek. Take a look at this.
I'm standing right in front of a petrol bunk in Thiruvananthapuram in Kavadiyar, where, as part of the unlocking process, more and more vehicles are plying on the road. As of now, the government has decided to unlock slowly, due to which more vehicles are started plying on the roads. But as far as the diesel and petrol prices are concerned, it is indeed a matter of concern. Now, if you look at the board, in the Bharat Petroleum bunk where I'm standing right now, the prices of petrol has hit 96 rupees 81 paise, and the price of diesel is 92 rupees and 10 paise. And remember, this is the highest ever hike as far as the history of Kerala is concerned. Now, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has said yesterday in the Assembly that in the last 6 years, the prices of fuel, especially petrol and diesel, has gone up by 307%, and in the last 6 months itself, it has been increased 19 times. Now, that shows the severity of the prices, the hike in the prices, and how it's going to affect the common man. Now, remember, as far as the unlocking process goes on, more and more vehicles started plying on the road, and hence the consumption of diesel and petrol increases. Now, at that juncture, increasing the price to this level is directly going to affect the common man, especially on the prices of the basic commodities, that is vegetables, fruits and other day-to-day items. And hence, the state government has appealed the central government to reduce the prices. Now, it's not just the central government, the taxes are of both the state and the central. So both state and central has to reduce the excise tax, and only then that the prices can be reduced. And that's what the common man has been requesting for the last few days.